Welcome back to JOT's shop.
Well, the snow has started to fall. The outside projects are finished and it's time to get back in the shop and work on the F100. But first, we received a request for a shop tour. That's what this video is all about. But before we start, please remember to subscribe and also ring that notification bell. This really helps our channel get additional viewers as we push to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. JOT's shop is a separate building built in 2016. It's 25 feet long by 20 feet wide with a 13-foot ceiling. It's built with 2x6s and is stuccoed to fit in with the surrounding buildings. There are 4 large windows positioned high on the walls. This gives us large areas of wall for the shop. The shop is separated from our garage. We ran our electrical, natural gas, and compressed air underground from the garage to the shop. There is a door on the rear of the shop along with a large window. The patio is a great place for taking breaks. We did all our own interior work on the shop, including all electrical, heating, and compressed air installations, and all the wall and ceiling work. We used LP SmartSide exterior siding on the interior walls for toughness and ease of maintenance. It's very strong, fire resistant, and also pre-primed for paint. All the walls are 2x6s and have R21 insulation. The ceiling is 13 feet high and has R30 insulation. It is covered with metal exterior roofing material. This makes it very durable and fire resistant. The insulated garage door is 16 feet wide by 10 foot tall. To keep the ceiling area clear, we used a LiftMaster jack shaft garage door opener. As previously mentioned, we put up 4 large windows high on the side walls. Our intention was to let in lots of light. However, with the LED lighting we put in, we found we didn't need the extra light and it actually was better for temperature control to keep most of them covered. So what's actually in the shop? Part of our area is currently taken up by the F100 cab. We also have our Danmar M6 portable lift, which can be moved out of the way if we want. If you'd like to see the lift installation, the link is in the description below. Our toolboxes are along the east and west walls, with our work tables on the north wall under the window. Our general work table is a 4x8 with metal top that we made in the shop. Below this table is an area for storage. You'll notice our powered winch, which we installed in an earlier video. That installation video link is also in the video description below. Our welding table is a Build Pro with 5/8" machined holes for the hold-down clamps and stops. For our winter weather, we installed a forced air natural gas heater. It works great and keeps the shop at a minimum of 50 degrees at all times at very minimal cost. Along this wall is our electrical distribution center, our compressed air tools, our vacuum, and all our other general floor tools. This is our rolling angle grinder stand we built. It has room for clamps, cutting oil, and storage for flap and cutting disc. We have a Porter cable drill press. To the right, you can see our Porter cable sander mounted on one of our custom tool stands. We made our tool stands from steel piping mounted on steel rims. Here's our Slugger cold cutting metal saw. This is our Jet bench grinder. We use Weiler wire wheels. They give excellent results with a very long life. The Milwaukee portable metal bandsaw is mounted on a swag portaband table. We have a wall-mounted vacuum-made garage vacuum. The compressed air for both JOT shop and garage is provided by a Quincy 5 horsepower 60-gallon 2-stage air compressor. We installed the compressor in the garage to keep the noise down in the workshop. The compressed air runs through a water filter and regulator as it exits the compressor and heads over to the shop. We ran the compressor lines and the electrical supply of the shop 24 inches below ground level. The air enters the shop and proceeds up the wall. We can turn the compressor on and off from the shop using this switch. This switch also allows voice control through Google Assistant. Compressor on.
Okay, turning compressor on.
Compressor off.
Okay, turning compressor off.
The compressed air line comes from the garage and is split, with one leg going through an additional Milton water filter and regulator for use in our Hypertherm 45 plasma cutter. The other compressed air leg goes through a separate regulator to our wall-mounted retractable hose reel. This is where all of our pneumatic tools are attached. All of our tools are mounted on the wall for ease of use. We also use Prevost high-flow safety connectors for all the tools. We have 3 distinct tool chests. The first doubles as our plasma cutter and welder cart. In addition to the Hypertherm plasma cutter, we use a Miller Multimatic 215, which can MIG, TIG, and stick weld. The top drawer on this cart contains air die grinder attachments, and the next drawer contains welding consumables. In our red tool chest on this wall, we have our welding accessories, such as magnets, table stops, 123 blocks, etc. Then we have welding table hold downs, markers and punches, more welding hold downs, and various measuring tools. Next are angle grinder accessories, body hammers and dollies, floor grinding consumables, gasket making tools, carb cleaners, wiring tools, crimpers, and connectors. Here are calipers, and we have brake tubing, flaring tools, compressor testers, and gear pullers. And then finally, electrical testers. Moving to the other side of the shop, the tall blue tool chest contains all of our hand tools. The top has our cordless tools and chargers. A drawer with pliers, screwdrivers, flare nut wrenches, stubby wrenches, and hex key sets, and ratcheting wrenches. We also have combination wrenches in both metric and SAE sizes. These small drawers contain more pliers, crescent wrenches, socket wrenches and socket accessories, and finally a drawer with tap and die sets. The next large drawer has all our normal and impact sockets for metric and SAE sizes, pipe wrenches and long pliers, metal snips, impact bits, files, and all of our drill bits. This drawer contains various other tools such as trim removal kits. Finally, we have torque wrenches and pry bars, and various hammers, squares, and levels. Our various consumable parts are kept in parts bins on large rolling racks that we made. Having them on the racks makes it easy to see what is in each bin and allows us to easily remove the bins and get what we need. On this side of the shop, we also have our battery and fluids rack. Also, next to our engine lift, which is stored in the corner, there is a large rack of various items. Well, that's it for the tour. If you have any questions on anything you saw, or have any suggestions for us, we would really appreciate any of your comments. Please put them below. Now it's time to continue on our F100 build. If you like our videos, please press the like button. Also, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell. We really would appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Remember that all comments and suggestions are always welcome.
That's all, folks, and thanks for watching. There's more videos to come on the truck. Bye-bye.